With age, collagen reduces and wrinkles appear. Glow comes to an end and this beauty diminishes. We cannot stop aging, but we can slow its pace. We can maintain its glow. There are many remedies for this purpose which gives healthy look to us. Hello everyone, my name is Sarah. Today in this video I am sharing a famous Korean remedy of rice mask, which could be easily prepared by collecting natural ingredients from kitchen. To prepare this remedy we need boiled rice. Rice increases the collagen in the skin, which keeps your skin supple and helps prevent wrinkling. It also appears to have natural sunscreen properties. Other studies show strong evidence for the anti-aging benefits of fermented rice water because of its antioxidant properties. Almond oil. Almond oil is fantastic for reducing fine lines, wrinkles and sagging skin. It combats aging by destroying free radicals and provides the nutrients that your skin requires to repair itself. Just a few drops are required, and regular use will result in a smooth, healthy, more youthful appearance. Egg white. One egg white contains about 54 milligrams of potassium, a mineral that can help clear your face. Riboflavin eliminates toxic free radicals that cause wrinkles, and collagen helps with skin inflammation and fills in wrinkle lines. Grind half cup boiled rice with 1 egg white and make the thick paste. Then add almond oil and mix it well. Apply it on the face daily. On constant use, you will observe wrinkle-free and healthy face.